So previously we checked out how to connect the Excel directly into Cloud. Today I'm going to be showing you now how we can actually connect the actual Cloud with the actual Google Sheets. So if you're still wondering how we can actually make this process, well, the Google Sheets is now part of Microsoft, so we needed to make this a little bit different. If I open a new tab, I'm going to close this for now. Here's the actual support chat of the Cloud, how we can actually use Cloud for Excel. But today we're going to be using Cloud for Google. With this being said, here for example is the actual connection between the Google Drive and the Cloud. Basically, Google Drive will be having access for your docs, the sheets, the slide, and the Cloudy. So what we need to do is to ask the actual Cloud to make this process really fast. So what I did is to tell them I wanted to connect my Excel. Or let's go for a new chat. I want to connect my Google Sheets inside here. I enter the actual prompt and it searches for the actual connections. In my case, it says that we already have the Google Drive connected, which gives you access to the Google Sheets file. I can search, read, and work for the Sheets connection. Basically, what we did is to tell exactly what we wanted to do, which in this case, it will be popping up this element that says I found a couple of options that could help work for these specific files. In this case, we chose the element that says Google Drive. So you click into this element that says connect. Inside what I wanted to do is to choose that method. And just like that, it will be asking me to choose my actual account. I choose that actual account and I get over for continue. When I finish with this, I get over for continue once again. So I go for continue, and usually it will be telling you that it's now been connected, and of course we are now inside here. So let's say that I can head back for check out my latest Google Sheet file and summarize. What's going to happen is they're going to be using the Google Drive MCP to list the actual recent files. So it now have access directly from the Google Drive connector properly to find the recent files. So tap used Google Drive to confirm and pull down the latest Google Sheet. Right, I'm going to go for the option that says connect. Once again, I choose my actual same account. I'd head over for continue and continue once more, so I can see that my account should be now having access directly inside there. Once you finish with this process, basically you're actually good to go. So I'm going to close this tabs because we don't need that anymore. I hit over for continue, and if this still didn't work for you, what you can do is to try to reload the actual page. So let's go for the option that says done, and there we go. So as you can see, the actual process, it works a little bit slow, but still the process actually works really fine. If you still wanted to see more great information of how we can actually make this process much more fast, I can totally suggest you to check out the actual upgraded plan of the Cloud, so you can have access for more stuff, such as for example the co-work, the highest usage limits, the research, analysis, and carries across conversations. Usually the connection between MCP and so much more, it won't be having access to a lot for the free versions, but still, if you are patient, you can still make the actual connection between all of this in a very easy way. So basically here, as you can see, my actual connection of the Google Drive is now connected. So hit for the option that says use Google Drive for this, and the tools has now been correctly added. So make sure they always allow, and you're actually good to go. So guys, with this being said, we can reach to the very end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.